I had Is Craze start it up, and he's all, man, because you could hear it directly on startup, right? I noticed that right there, right away, right? Like, oh, they freaking cut that to get this bolt out. I just didn't pay attention to that bolt. Okay. So then I look at the mount. The mount's new. Ooh. That mount down there is new. Okay. They obviously did replace it because you could see witness marks. But then I'm like, hold up. They spray painted that. Is Crazy is in there starting it up, and I have my finger. You could actually see my finger mark right there where I'm touching this. I'm like that, right? Start it up. He starts it. I feel it.